Hi, this short video will guide you through updating your Starlink system to make sure your connection stays secure and reliable. First, make sure your Starlink antenna has a clear, unobstructed view of the sky. Place it outside in an open area, connect all the cables from the dish to the power supply, and then to the router. Next, download the Starlink app. If you're using an iPhone, get it from the App Store. For Android, download it from Google Play. You can also scan the QR code shown on the screen to download the Starlink app. Once your antenna and router are powered on, connect your phone to the Starlink Wi-Fi network. The default Wi-Fi name is Starlink, and it usually doesn't have a password if it's your first setup. You don't need to have an active Wi-Fi or internet connection or an active Starlink subscription for the update to start. After connecting, open the Starlink app, and once you're connected with your Starlink Wi-Fi or internet, the update will automatically start. If the update didn't start automatically, you can manually update it by going to Software Update, tap Update, and wait for about a minute while the system updates. Wait for at least 10 minutes to finish the update. When the update is done, check the version you're inside the app. It should show 2025.29.0. That means your Starlink is successfully updated and ready to use. And that's it. You've completed the Starlink Critical Update. For more support, visit www.datalake.ph or send an email to support@datalake.ph.